Hello student, we are going to start the session module 2 lecture 2 digital image processing EC 703A. Shongita Roy, assistant professor electronics and communication engineering department, Narula Institute of Technology. Digital image enhancement bit plane slicing. Bit plane slicing is well-known technique used in image processing. In image compression, bit plane slicing is used. Bit plane slicing is the conversion of image into multi-level binary image. So this is the basic concept. This is the original image and this is the 7 layers. It is the base, it is the LSB, then first layer, LSB means it is also a layer. So it is 0th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So before going to this, there is something to explain that whenever in communication you want to communicate any information from one place to another, well-known digital technique is 8-bit coding. It is internationally accepted. So when you are coding 8-bit, so levels will be 256, 0 to 255. Why? 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. So number of intensity levels will be 0 to 255. So there will be this distinct intensity levels. So any image has this 0 to 7th plane. Means whenever you are coding a particular intensity, so 8 bits are requiring to code those intensity from 0 to 255. For that reason, the bit plane slicing has 8 planes, 0 to 7. Another significant thing, if the coding is 4-bit, then number of plane will be 4. And there will be 2 to the power 4, 16 consecutive intensity levels will be there. But well known, internationally acclaimed coding is 8-bit. So for any image communication, you require 8-bit to communicate and each intensity has 8-bit coding. Now why we are using this? So it is given the idea. So if it is with a 3-bit coding, 3-bit coding, therefore we have 2 to the power 3 means 8 levels, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 levels. Say this is a particular structure of original image values. So 0 to, there are 3 levels, so 0 to 7. So these are the picture elements are there, intensity values, 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 6, 4, 1. So we using the binary coding, 0 will be represented by 0, 0, 0, it is represented by 0, 0, 1, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 and so on. Therefore we can find each requires 3-bit. Instead of passing single frame, we can divide this 3-bit into 3 different planes. Obviously, this is the according to digital electronics. We have already studied in the earlier classes or in your earlier semesters that when these are the bits, so this is the MSB and this is the LSB. So MSBs are taken out first. So this is the MSBs. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, I'm sorry, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So it is obviously these bits are taken out and this mesh or this grid has formed. Similarly, the middle portion also 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And the LSB will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and so on. So these are the 3 planes. Obviously all the planes are binary planes. So these are the technique of bit plane slicing. So going back to the previous, so if the coding is 8-bit, so the levels will be 8 and consecutively the 8 levels corresponding the image will be, these are the, this is the LSB, this is the MSB. So another understanding from there, say 8-bit coding, these are the coding, so corresponding value is 181 in decimal. Now how this plane affects for the values? So this is the MSB and this is the LSB. So the LSB has value 1, therefore next is 0, so it has value 1. Next is this position 1, the corresponding value is 4. Next bit again 0, so no value is there. Next bit is 2 to the power 3 into 0, 0, then 2 to the power 4 into 1, 16, 2 to the power 5 into 32, and the MSB is 128. Therefore, this gives the idea that MSB has the highest weightage, whereas LSB is the lowest weightage. For that reason, therefore, it is clear, if it is for 1-bit coding, therefore the same thing will be for the another bit coding also. For that reason, this is the MSB bit image and this is the LSB bit image. LSB is the lowest value, whereas the highest value is MSB. For that reason, the LSB elements picture, binary picture, gives no information, almost nil information. As we are increasing to higher bits, it giving little bit information, and the MSB gives the most information of this picture. So if we added all these 8 planes, we will get back the original image. Therefore, it is clear the original image content almost lies on the MSB plane. So this is another example. This is the first, second, third, and finally this is the 8th plane, and this is the final image, cumulative adding all these planes. This is the same idea, how it is forming. Now the bit plane slicing application. Already we have studied that it is applied in image compression as well as cryptography. Now how it can be used in cryptography? Now I told you that MSB gives the most information, whereas LSB almost no information. So if this is a combination of zeros, ones, if we alter any position and if we know where we have altered our position and then adding all these values, we will get back the original image, no problem. But we have already hide some information or alter some information over there. So if we want to hide any information, if we want to encrypt any information over the lowest plane, then the final image will be same, but there is some information hidden over there. In this way, cryptography or embedded information can be there, or watermarking can be made over any image. This is one of the application of bit plane slicing. These are the references. Thank you. This is all of the day. Bye bye.